This is the outside tap. It's been completely cut off. It was wrapped with electrical tape too, and the electrical tape was melted. In an attempt to get water, I peeled the tape off, but no water. My kitchen taps. My kitchen taps have been removed and the taps are leaking. I've been trying to pack everything up. It's so cold in here. There's no heat. There's no hot water. The furnace is off. The hot water tank. And it's nasty water. It's like slime. They turn the taps on so the back tenant can have water at his, the back shed. And after they did that, that's where it goes to. It's shop water. That's where the water's coming from. And they won't call anybody in here to do it. Probably because they'll see what had happened, what they did with that, and where it's coming from. I've been sweeping it down into that back vent, because this is all blocked. I've been sweeping it over here into the drain. Oh, I just stepped in it. Jesus.